Are you videotaping my...
Yeah, I'm videotaping your struggle. Hey, no helping, bro.
I mean, the pho was okay.
Yeah, no, it wasn't bad. Just it wasn't
Super expensive.
it wasn't $14 good.
Yeah, like honestly, that's the most expensive pho I've ever had.
Exactly.
Which we've known will blow away.
So we just got here after we ate to check out this awesome park that John wants me to see since I'm visiting from Chicago. And then this one is
Don't tell them.
well, she has to go home because she wasn't prepared. As you can see, she's a mother, so you figure she knows about stuff like this. Anyways, we're gonna go home so she can
And Flo came.
yeah, take care of
Wait for you.
Look at you! We treat you! We treat you! Swamp water, look at that yummy greenness. Nobody's ever said that. Yay! Healthy eating!
Will you forgive? And I won't forget. Know what we've seen.
I can see your eyes on me!
Now in some way, shape, we access. 'Cause I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. Now I'll be bold as well as strong, and use my head alongside my heart. So take my flesh